Hey everybody, what's going on? This is going to be a very quick video. Just want to give you all an update on the free Zero2Income Toolbox. So this free toolbox is a link for it in every description that we do for System.io. For those that actually read the descriptions and get in there and look at the details, you'll are going to be aware of it and are familiar with it. But what we've done just recently, as of 2 weeks ago, we've added a course bundle. It's the Zero2Income Foundations Pack. At this point, it's 2 courses. All right. It's leveraging ChatGPT in everyday business and the mastering System.io for online business success. Right, those are completely free now. They are part of the toolbox. So if you don't yet have the toolbox, when you go to sign up for it, this is what the sign up page looks like here. And then when you go and sign up for it and get access to it, it's going to look like something like this here. All right, I've got an introductory video here. This is the actual toolbox. All right, you were seeing it live here, folks. And then right in here is our Zero2Income Foundations Pack. If you click on the drop down here, that opens up a little video again on kind of the process to get enrolled and what to expect. Again, when you sign up for the toolbox, you're going to be automatically enrolled. And this just has a quick little blurb here about the 2 courses that make up this bundle at this point. And then of course we have a link to go to your dashboard, and that takes you to our dashboard here for the Foundations Pack. You go and you click into that, and then there's the first course that Dana set up for leveraging ChatGPT in everyday business, and there's the other course that he and I worked on for mastering System.io for online business success. All right. When you sign up, again, you're going to be automatically enrolled, but you will get an email, and it's going to say important your access to training. It's going to look like this. Let me pop this over here for you. It's going to say important your access to training, and it's going to be an email that allows you to set up your login information so that you can access these free courses. So that's pretty much it. Just really wanted to give an update on these the 2 new courses that we've added to the free toolbox. Again, completely free. They're part of the toolbox. If you haven't signed up for it yet, go ahead and sign up for it. If you're already have access to the toolbox, a couple of weeks ago, we emailed you to let you know that you were automatically enrolled in it, and let you know that you were going to receive an email. Again, this important, your access to training email was going to arrive in your inbox, and then, again, let you know what to do from there. All right. So that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you're all having an amazing week. We'll talk to you later.